If you bought Solana yesterday, you would have already outperformed Ethereum over the last 30 days. Ethereum is lagging compared to all other major L1s, with the exception of XRP, which is only up 3.9% over the last 30 days. And it seems like the bull market skipped right over Ethereum into big players such as Solana, AVAX, and Cardano. And this is not how everyone thought it would be. The money starts with Bitcoin, and then it rotates into Ethereum, then it rotates into large caps like Solana and AVAX, and then it rolls into alt season. But it skipped right over Ethereum, and we are seeing major pumps across multiple layer ones, with the exception of Ethereum. And we're now even seeing meme coins on Solana popping off, such as Bonk and WIF. Bitcoin did its part. It's up 159% over the year. And if we look at Ethereum, it's up 88% over the year, which is amazing. However, when you zoom out and see what everyone else in crypto is doing, you realize that Ethereum is currently lagging because this is over the last year. But if we look at these other L1s over just the last 30 days, Solana, 71%, Cardano, 65%, AVAX, 119%, DOT, 57%, ICP, 123%, Injective, 148%. The past cycle, the narrative was Ethereum killers, but this time around, there are people asking, is Ethereum dead? But Ethereum is far from dead. It still is number one in protocols across blockchains, and it has the largest network of developers. And if we look at TVL, Ethereum is ahead by miles. But here's where things get very interesting. Ethereum is usually number one in 24-hour volume, but check this out. Currently, Solana is number one in 24-hour volume. Things are changing. However, something Ethereum has that no other blockchain has, with the exception of Bitcoin, is a pending ETF. And actually, the Ethereum ETF decision has been delayed to May, which I actually think is a positive, because once we have an approved Bitcoin ETF and the excitement for that dies down, we'll have another major milestone to look forward to. But in terms of Ethereum, it looks like the market just wants to move to a faster and cheaper chain. And really, they just want to be in an ecosystem where they can make money. And that's what the crypto space is. It's a rotation of narratives and ecosystems. And just this past week in my community, we went into these two main investing frameworks, narratives and ecosystems. And we looked at these narratives on chain using Dune Analytics. And surprisingly, EPIN, a sector that most people never even heard about, is trending. Pair these live calls with easy to follow classroom modules, and this will set you up with the fundamentals to navigate this bull cycle. But before all that, I'll set you up with a one-on-one call to create a custom research guide tailored to you for your specific niche for this bull cycle. I'll leave a link for the community down below. And what really made Ethereum pop off last cycle were NFTs. Everyone was buying them. Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton, Jimmy Fallon. But this time around, we're going to see NFTs on other layer ones pop off. If we look at Solana right now, Mad Labs has a floor of $17,000. And we even have NFTs now on Bitcoin, which is something last cycle I don't think anyone would have anticipated. And get this, Bitcoin has the highest NFT volume, even ahead of Ethereum. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. One I think is going to do well this cycle is AVAX. And because of that, I tried to front run the AVAX NFT ecosystem, looking for the Bored Ape or the blue chip. So I picked up a Dokyo NFT under 800. I posted that on my Twitter timeline, so go ahead and follow me over there. And now when we check the floor, it's at 2,100. So a nice return so far, but I'm going to see how this plays out. My work is not done. I will continuously monitor the AVAX NFT ecosystem and also looking for projects across multiple layer ones. But probably what's bringing the most people to these alternative layer ones is the potential for airdrops. Many of the protocols on these layer ones are tokenless, meaning that by interacting with them, users can get an airdrop. For example, Jito on Solana airdrop between $10,000 and $50,000 to their qualified users. So now everyone is farming airdrops on Solana. They're farming airdrops on Injective, on Celestia, on AVAX. It is no longer just Ethereum. However, Ethereum is not dead. It still, as we mentioned, is a big player in the space. But this cycle, things will be different. It's not only going to be Ethereum. This time around, Ethereum will have to share the pie with Solana and many others.